guys, we are back, and we are doing another Fire Boy and Water Girl in the Forest Temple episode. So, we are just going to start now. So we completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 levels. So yeah, so we're going to start this one today. So let's get into it, boys and girls. This is the one that I died on, which was, it was hard to get into this position. That's for sure. Now the rest is just PewDiePie. And yes, I call this Water Girl PewDiePie. Goofer Gang. Okay, that's not what I'm supposed to do, I know. You back off. No, you stand back on. You stand back on. And all that I do is just wait for him. Wait. Okay. How did I do this last time? Sorry, webcam. Whoops. Am I missing something? Where's the green button? Okay, guys, I'm a little stuck here. I think I know. Do I have to go down here? Oof, okay. Guys, you're gonna leave this one for later, because we gotta complete everything else. That's gonna be the last, we're gonna try that to be the last level, okay? Okay, this thing seems intense. Okay, where am I? Okay, down. You get back up. Sorry for the tech. So, let's get it. I so touched it. Oh. Frick. Now we have to restart that. My God, Evan. There we go. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What am I gonna do, dude? Close your mouth. Saliva dripping everywhere. Oh my god, dude. This level's so hard. You get your ankles broke. You have to get into the corner, okay? Okay, I got this thing. Go, go, go. Let's get it. Are you kidding me, mate? This thing's high. Oh my god. Why are these levels so hard? Okay, I have enough time. So here's the plan, guys. Okay, I can't see the screen, so I can't do the plan. So I'm gonna see my mouse. This guy is gonna go up. I'm gonna quickly run down, pull this lever so that turns off and I can get up there, okay? Let's get it. Dude. Dude. Chill. Chill. Timmy, we did it. Close your mouth. We did it. Let's go. This thing's a tree. Okay, guys, this is gonna be probably hard. Oh yeah, time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe for some more videos. Peace out.